economic restructuring plays a central role in driving gentrification. Many Western countries have experienced deindustrialization, marked by a shift from manufacturing to service sector employment. As industrial activities declined, inner-city industrial districts, including waterfronts, were abandoned and later reimagined as prime sites for redevelopment. Waterfront areas, once noisy and utilitarian, have been transformed into aesthetic and recreational assets. The growth of white-collar employment has also increased demand for centrally located, livable urban environments. Following decades of post-World War II suburban investment, inner-city land was significantly devalued, making it an attractive site for reinvestment and speculative development. Social factors further contribute to the gentrification process. Increased participation of women in the paid labor force, delayed childbearing, and smaller household sizes have made inner-city living more attractive to professional and managerial households. Proximity to downtown jobs is a major advantage, and many inner cities capitalize on their historical associations as markers of prestige and status. Sexuality has also intersected with gentrification. In the post-war period, gentrification created opportunities for gay and lesbian communities to reshape entire neighborhoods. These groups established spaces that provided safety, visibility, and community control in the face of broader social oppression. Although lesbian spaces have historically been fewer and more limited, they have often functioned as crucial community-building centers and social networks. The arrival of artists and creative workers is frequently viewed as the initial stage of gentrification. Artists and hipsters often move in small numbers to working-class or lower-income neighborhoods, many of which are home to immigrant or minority populations. They establish studios, galleries, and trendy restaurants and bars that attract white, middle, and upper-middle-class consumers. Media attention soon labels these areas as hip new enclaves, triggering real estate speculation and drawing an increasingly affluent clientele.